So we're going to be installing a catch can on the Kona end today. I got the 6-element catch can at a good deal along with some other parts. Everything is in great condition. We obviously have the can along with the mounting bracket here and all the hoses included in the package. So since I bought this off another Kona end owner, it looks like all the hoses and hose clamps are already put on the can. I just have to put on the mounting bracket and then mount on the car for the install. So the hardest part for me on the install was removing the hose off the manifold here. There's a hose clamp that's facing behind the hose, and I didn't have the right tools to remove it while it was in that spot. So you can see here I had to wiggle it to an area that I could get my huge ass pliers on. It probably would be best to get a needle nose or a 90-degree needle nose to remove this hose. So here's the factory hose. That's uncut, so if I wanted to put back and remove the can, I could do so later on. Good, just gonna clean it all up and zip tie and then put the cover back on. So I ended up also buying an Alcantara and performance shift knob. It has the boot in Alcantara and the knob itself. I still have the stock OEM leather shift knob, so we're going to be replacing the whole unit here. There you go. Had to go back and clean this up a little bit before I get roasted in the comments. If anyone has any good recommendations for cleaning the dust in the interior, I'd love to hear it. Leave a comment below. So there you have it, quick video today. I wasn't planning to originally run a catch can, but a good deal popped up on Instagram. I'll leave the Instagram user below who sold me the catch can and the end performance shift knob. It was a great deal, and so I figured it wouldn't hurt to have the extra protection for the engine. The install itself was pretty straightforward. The hoses and hardware were already installed. I did reference the 6th Element catch can install video. It says it's for the Veloster N, but it still has the same steps as the Kona N. The product is great. 6th Element makes high quality products for all N cars. So if you're looking to buy this particular catch can, I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can buy this can. So there you have it. I hope you liked this video. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment below, hope you subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.